What's up guys, it's Marissa with Krietz Customs, and we're going to go in depth on what a color matching process actually looks like through Krietz Customs. Starting off with the GMC Yukon, going over the front end of what we did, your grille and your grille surround. So these are actually two different pieces of the grille that GM came out with, and you can take them apart and paint them. And then your actual GMC logo or emblem, you can actually take it apart completely. What we did specifically is put the inside where the GMC is actually red. We color matched it to the vehicle, and then the outer portion where it is chrome, we color matched it to the grille itself. So that way you have the grille or the black outline and the white on the inside. Coming down here to the bottom part of your front bumper, this piece specifically, we took it apart and painted it black to match the grille. And again, all of the options that we're going over today is completely customer preference. You can essentially do whatever you want, and Krietz Customs can modify the vehicle to your liking. With the fog light bezels down here, these do get taken apart and painted as well. This one again is color matched to the grille and the bottom part of the bumper just to kind of break up the white. With your headlights and tail lights, you can actually take these apart and smoke them or tint them. Tinting, you can actually take the tint off if later down the road you actually don't like the blackout package. If you decide to paint them and smoke them out, that's more of a permanent option. So make sure you keep that in mind when you're looking at color matching the vehicle specifically to your liking. Coming over here to your side emblem portion, what's really cool about this is you can pretty much customize this any kind of different way. This one, we actually blacked it out completely. You can actually do the outside portion of the GMC a different color. Coming down to our wheels, you can actually powder coat your OEM wheels, which is this specific style. This is the original OEM wheel that came on the vehicle. We just powder coated, and you do have options to paint it as well. Or you can swap them out completely and put completely different black aftermarket wheels, some with milling, some without. Again, whatever you decide. Your fender badges on the sides here can also be smoked out. This one is not, but it is an option that you can add on to your custom color matching. Coming over here to your mirrors and mirror caps. So this one specifically, we took the mirror cap off and we color matched to the body of the vehicle. A lot of customers like to black out this mirror completely. You can see that on our blackout package on the murdered out GMCs that we have. We do black this out 100%, but this one specifically, we color matched this to the actual body of the vehicle and left the surround here and the other portion of the mirror, the bottom half, that connects to the actual body of the vehicle completely black. Coming over here to a lot of the emblems. So any emblem that's on the vehicle can be taken off, painted, put back on, or completely replace them. So this one is actually a new AT4 logo, and we just blacked it out before reinstalling it on the vehicle. Coming over to your door handles can be completely taken apart and painted however you like. This one specifically, we went ahead and just color matched to the body of the vehicle. We've done it before where we can do the actual lock button black. You can paint the complete door handle black. I know on some of the GMCs and the Chevys, they come with the face that is white, and then this portion of it is actually chrome. So we can, again, color match it to however you like. The windowsills do come chrome, so the windowsills are actually wrapped with a vinyl. They are not painted. This is not something you can take off the vehicle, paint and reinstall. So we go through a wrap process on the actual windowsill, and that's gonna be the bottom portion of it, and then it wraps up around here, and then your back half of the, back where your third row and your cargo area is. Coming up to the roof racks, your roof racks is an item that is going to be uninstalled, primed, painted, and then reinstalled again on the vehicle. On this one, we did this roof rack black, and again, you can color match to the vehicle as well. And then I didn't mention this before, but your shark fin on the top can also be color matched. This is matched to the vehicle body color, but you can do black, and again, any custom color you'd like. We already did the wheels. Coming back to your back half and the hatch of the vehicle. Tail lights, again, with the headlights, you can also tint them or smoke them. On the back hatch, you have this trim piece here that can be modified, as well as your GMC logo. Specifically, we did the color match to the body color with this trim piece. And then here you have your black outline where the chrome was, and the red part of the GMC was color matched to the body of the vehicle. And again, that GMC logo can be, flip-flopped, completely blacked out, completely white out. Your actual liftgate handle here is also color matched to the body of the vehicle. And then your bottom part of the bumper was blacked out just to kind of break up that body color. I think this Yukon looks extremely clean with the white and black emblems as well as the black grille and the fender badges on the side. If you guys like the look of these GMC Yukons or the custom color matching process, make sure you like and subscribe to these videos. If you are interested in color matching any vehicle that you have, make sure you give us a call at 301-694-4642 or check out our social media pages at Krietz Customs.